Look, y'all, we just discovered. Oh, first of all, good morning, LA. We just discovered that this whole thing opens up like this, which is actually pretty cute. The way that whole window opens. Oh, what you doing? Look at this. Look at who this is, y'all. Look at this.
Guess what I have, guys? You can't see them on camera, but guess what I have?
What?
That I didn't take to Europe.
What?
Enough panties.
Oh my goodness. You know what?
This is my before. I'm getting my hair cut, y'all, across the street at a random place that nobody referred us to. So we will see what happens.
And they say, we think that the barbershop is, what is it, like Indian owned?
Indian or
like East Indian or yeah.
And the big stretch on this is that I start a new job on Tuesday. So I could very well go in there looking cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. But we shall see.
Okay, so that's the barbershop that Querin went to.
I just want to learn how to cut.
Okay, so we are going to this vegan spot called My 2 Cents. And
so I watched this Netflix documentary called Feel Rich. It's so dope, super dope. It's about you know, celebrities and hip hop, specifically hip hop artists talking about wellness, like Common and Fat Joe, and making references to Big Pun, him dying of being overweight, and how much we associate being wealthy with eating well, literally eating well and figuratively eating well. So when I was watching the documentary, Jermaine Dupri and other people were talking about their shift in diet, as a, you know, and mentality about their diet and going to this place. So I heard that people go here and they'll have like gumbo or whatever. They won't even know it's vegan sausage in it. It's just really dope. And I like good food, and I'm not a vegan, but mostly vegetarian. So I'm excited about checking it out and seeing what's popping. And she's a celebrity chef. She cooks for a lot of people. So, you know, it's cool to do stuff you see on TV. Like, I did a couple of the Real Housewives of Atlanta type restaurants, or go there and go shopping and just to check stuff out for yourself and get your own perspective, not the TV version. So we'll see. We'll let y'all know how it is, how good it is or not.
My 2 cents. Okay, so that spot's not gonna work out because they didn't have anything vegetarian, which we thought that's what the whole documentary was about. Yeah, and the things that they did have that was vegetarian, they were out of, which was a spaghetti. They had a vegetarian spaghetti, a vegan spaghetti, that was it, and they was out of the vegan meat. So yeah. And so we gotta go to another place because Carlos was at Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles and couldn't eat a chicken or a waffle.
Oh, I ain't so considerate.
So now we're gonna try this Bloom place. Good luck. All right, y'all, we are going to that Hollywood sign right there. Me and Q Boo, keeper of the dream. I came up with these dreams, but don't nobody act like they want to do it with me. Then Querin reluctantly gave in. We are gonna hike to the Hollywood sign on the next episode of the Fun and Budget Act. Okay, so we are out here in Griffith Park and we don't know.
Nothing.
We was trying to get to the observatory, but it looks like the road is closed off. So we're gonna figure out what we can figure out from here. But let me tell y'all a little bit about Griffith Park. Let me tell you and Querin a little bit about Griffith Park. So Griffith J. Griffith, right, was this dude.
You're such a nerd.
He was a colonel in the military. And he actually, I'm thinking he must have just really loved this land, loved California. So much so, he wanted to pay $100,000 for some land to develop what is now known as this park. But California said, no, we don't want your money. And then he wanted to donate like $50,000 to build a theater in the park. Once again, they said no.
Okay.
Okay, so they was like, no, we don't want your money, right? And so, you know why they didn't want his money?
Wow.
There was just a little technicality. He had just got out of San Quentin, you know, the penitentiary, because he had shot his wife in the head, but it might have been an accident. But she didn't die though. She didn't die. So she lived, and she even was granted a divorce. So they was like, But you know what? He was so passionate about this dream of making this a park and giving back to the community. That's the way he saw it. He wanted to give back to the community and pay his debt to society. And so what he did is when he died, he left the money in the will to make this a park. He died in 1913, and in 1935, this park, which they named after him, and his sordid reputation was then good, is now known as Griffith Park. There.
All of that.
All of that. All right. I'm out of breath already. Bye, y'all.
Oh, let me see the land.
Woo. Y'all, look at this. Woo.
No, look at this.
Okay, that makes sense. That's 3.8 miles. That makes sense. And it's almost like we could have gotten higher. So we're 1 mile from the observatory.
Yeah, because we were trying to get to the observatory.
Yes. We're here. Where are we trying to go?
Okay, here's
Ooh.
the Hollywood sign.
We're trying to go there.
And
we're here.
Oh, it's here. So one ain't got nothing to do with the other.
All right, let's just go.
Let me take a picture of this.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Querin. Take a picture of this. I'm all like, let's just go. Which way do we go? Okay, let's go, boo. We got this. Cause y'all know I be hiking. Even though it's about to be middle of the night.
We can at least go to that, I guess.
Yeah, we tired.
Time lapse. Time lapse 4.5 minutes.
Oh, we tired.
Man, nobody's safe. This worse than Mount Vesuvius. Real talk, right? Mount Vesuvius wasn't like this.
Yeah, we want to see this Hollywood sign. We might have to come back tomorrow. We might not have enough time for it today.
Don't lie. We might not have enough air for this today. We just ate too. Full stomach.
Oh, y'all wondering where Mommy and them are?
Doing grown folk stuff.
They went to the casino.
Without us.
So, change of plans. We're gonna go to the observatory in Griffith Park. Woo!
See you there.
So we're going up there somewhere.
Documenting. See? Oh, I can't see it no more.
Going up there somewhere.
I'm documenting.
Do you guys know why they shut off the road? Do they always do that?
That would be cool.
What?
Riding a horse up here.
But it's like, here we go again. Doing something else I have no business doing. Because I did not train for this. I wonder, does this tree tell us how much further we have to go?
She good and pregnant.
This pregnant chick just passed us.
We have no complaints. And I don't mean a little bit pregnant. She like 8 months.
She better get your ass on this hill.
She about 8 months pregnant. I ain't had nobody's baby in 18 years.
Me
Yeah,
20.
Look, turn around and zoom in on her.
Me 25 years.
That thing, see how fast she moving?
Hold on. Y'all see? Right there. That couple right there.
Good and pregnant.
But in the meantime, y'all taking this view. While we stand in one spot, going nowhere slowly.
I feel like he's a straight edge guy type of thing. You know what we about to get that's really gonna be gorgeous?
What?
Sunset.
Girl, I don't know. Y'all, I don't know how gorgeous this sunset about to be in the dark when we gotta walk back down this country road with no light. Country road. They could have some mile markers out here. How far do we go?
2,000 steps.
Take me home to the place. Y'all, I really do want to be in shape. I can tell. Because I'm always attracted to stuff that takes some physicality. You know, I love going on hikes that I can't do.
Pool position.
Scratch it.
No, it's just like, you know, when you your fat meat start moving like it haven't moved before.
Her fat meat, her boobage. Why she playing though? Why she playing though? Hey y'all, we made it to a rest stop. We made it. What is this little aperture for? Oh, there we go. Oh, I see. Now we cooking. Okay. Oh, and we're going. Careful, careful, honey, careful. And we going right there. See that? That's where we're going. Y'all see that backpack on Corinne's back? I want it back. I was giving it away. And Corinne went through my bag first of the things I was giving away and decided she was gonna keep this, and I was like, whatever, it's kind of whack anyway. But now that she's been rocking it in LA this whole time, it is so freaking cute. I want it. Oh my gosh. And that is real leather. I got it in Florence, Italy, circa 2010? Yeah, circa 2010. Look at that. What was I thinking? Was that the only one I gave you? No, like that. I feel like I had more.
No, I don't have another one like that.
Oh, okay. I think I might have got Shauna and Tisha and then one like that too. But I don't think they've ever used it either. I want it back.
It's perfect.
I'm repossessing it. Y'all, look what we turned around and seen. We ain't gotta go now. It's like, yes we do. But look at the sign. I should tell y'all all my random facts now. The Hollywood sign. Alright, so basically in 1923 the Hollywood sign was really a billboard called Hollywood Land, and it was a billboard for a real estate development company, and it was only supposed to stay up for 1 year. They had like 4,000 lights per letter. Each letter is 45 feet tall, and it was advertising their company. All right, y'all, so we are pretty much at the top, and we've reached the observation point, the observatory. I didn't think we was gonna make it, y'all. I was ready to give up. This felt like some bull when we first started walking, like that first 2 minutes. Girl, sometimes I am though.
We're not quitters. We can talk all the smack we want on the way.
We don't quit. And we came from all the way down there.
I know, right?
Because that was that observation point we were at the first time. Now let me tell y'all another little fun fact. When Hollywood first started becoming the Hollywood place to make moving pictures, Thomas Edison, he was a pure G, okay? He had over 1,000 patents. I think something like 1,081 patents and everything. And one of his patents was on the technology that went behind cameras. And so anybody who made a moving picture or whatever, homeboy sued. And back then, the film industry was in New Jersey. And he was just locking stuff down. Can y'all imagine that? Can you imagine that, Corinne? Not being able to make pictures or anything, or take pictures or record movies, because Thomas Edison, because he had all that money and all them patents, was suing everybody for copyright infringement. Go inside this observatory. Y'all, we here just because
we're here.
We're here. We feel like we should. I mean, we're here.
Why not?
We don't know what we about to look at.
No clue.
Why. But it costs $7 a piece, so we about to get $7 worth.
Samuel Ocean Planetarium. Light of the Valkyries. Is that how you say that? Valkyries.
Yeah, some Star Trek like Vorkian type stuff. So that's what we about to do, y'all. Let me see.
Life.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Samuel Ocean Planetarium at Griffith Observatory.
Look what we came out to. Alright guys, we are leaving the Griffith Observatory and it is dark out here. What's Corinne doing? So I actually adjust the camera to make it look like it's lighter than what it is. But We about to go back down them dark trails. Remember them trails we came up through? Guys, okay, so what I learned the most from that night sky thing, we need to find the year of the solar flares, which happens about every 11 years, and then that is the time to go check out the aurora borealis. That's my biggest takeaway. So if you want to see the aurora borealis, it's brighter and more vivid during when the sun has its most activity. Okay? All right. Don't say I never taught y'all anything.
I seen it already.
You did?
Yeah, I used to live in Alaska.
Here's the question, guys. This is what I'm trying to wonder. Y'all see how dark it is? This path that we hiked to come up here, is it open for us to hike to go back down?
I'm not questioning it. God loves me, and we're not about to pursue this venture without it being in our favor.
Will Ubers come pick us up on the... Oh, what is the side of the Santa Monica Mountain? That's what it is. Off the Santa Monica Mountain, will Ubers pick us up?
That's the question of the day.
That is the question.
Hope below.
Exactly. So, yeah. But I'm out here with my girl, so I'm safe because she can fight. Can you fight?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Querin can fight, y'all. So don't even try to come for me.
I heard.
When I'm with Querin.
I ain't lost the fight yet, yo.
She ain't lost the fight yet.
I only had like 3 though. In my whole life.
All right, here's the path. Here's the gateway. Here's the entrance.
It ain't closed.
It ain't closed.
All right, y'all. Here's what we doing. Back on down to the bottom. What doesn't even say?
Ferndale.
We going a mile down.
Yeah, about a mile down.
Okay, let's do this.
All right, let's do this.
We are not alone.
Yeah, there's actually a lot of people out here, y'all. All going back. All going back.
We need to stretch and some more stuff. We get to the bottom of this joint. And I do not have on hiking shoes. Cute Liz Claiborne sneakers not constitute a hiking. The Hollywood sign.
So guys, this is what I'm proud of. I love that we came out here with no information.
Not none.
Well, as far as we came out here with navigation. Okay. And navigation couldn't even bring us to where it was trying to bring us.
That's true.
So we stopped in a parking lot and we said we will figure it out. And boy, did we. No. So reality.
Yeah.
Rhea.
We all right.
This ain't for you, boo. This ain't for you. Because I don't know why we do what we do, but we just do it. And here we are.
She is so cute.
Hiking back down the Santa Monica Mountain. And heading back to our car a mile away.
And I was gonna say by ourselves, but technically not.
Yeah, there's a lot of people out
like
here.
A whole posse of people coming down too.
All right, guys. I know you can't see my black ass right now, but we made it. Look, Querin, we can't see. Oh, you can see my teeth.
Like
we made it, y'all.
This is spooky looking.
We are going back to the car.